it's Marky. Let's talk about this Make Me Chic crochet swim cover up. I bought it for vacation. I've used it multiple times since. I just think it is so cute. It looks great with a bikini or a one piece. It's really versatile that way. It is 82% polyester and 18% spandex. So it has a lot of stretch in the fabric, and then the waistband itself is elastic, so it fits really nicely on your hips or on your waist, wherever you're gonna wear it. These little ties in the front here are adjustable, so you can make it so it comes up a little bit on the thighs. If you want it all the way just straight across, you can have that too. So you have a lot of different little options with it. I have had this for probably a year. I got it beginning of last summer, and I wore it all summer long. I just think it's so cute. I got a size small. I am about 125 pounds and 5'3", and it just comes up to about my mid thigh, depending on where I adjust these. So if you were looking for something cute to wear with your swimsuits this summer, or if you're going on a vacation, I would highly recommend you look into this cute little cover up. And I hope this was helpful. Thank you.